Wolves. I am Mrs. Chavez, and I am so excited to talk to you about our Friday assemblies. Today we are going to learn what those assemblies are, how we get to attend them, what they entail, and we get to start those assemblies next week. Next Friday we will attend our first one in person. Just like last year, we are going to rotate who comes to those assemblies in person. We will start with our first, third, and fifth graders coming to our first assembly next Friday. And then the following week, our kindergartners, our second graders, and our fourth graders will come to the assembly in person. But everybody gets to be part of the assembly because Mr. Erickson will send out a live link that your teacher gets to connect to, and you get to watch from your classroom. So we are all part of Friday assemblies together every Friday. Teachers, the assembly will take place at 1:25 p.m. on Friday and go right up to our dismissal time of 1:40 p.m. Each week we will have a school focus for behavior. We are working on our expectations all around our building. Your teachers are going to be watching for 2 outstanding students in each class each week that will earn an outstanding ticket. Your teacher will fill this out about you. One of them goes home to celebrate at home. One goes into a drawing in the office where we will collect all of the outstandings for the week. And one is for the teacher to keep track of who they have nominated. Each week we will draw from the outstanding bucket at our assemblies. And you get to come up to the stage and spin the wheel. The wheel has all kinds of fun prizes on there. Depending on what you get, we will celebrate with you. If you'll notice, there's a lot of awesome things on here, but it will continue to be updated and we will change them to keep it exciting. So watch for that. And everybody, we want you to earn outstanding so you get a chance to spin. At our assembly, we will do some team building cheers together. Teachers, if you remember some of those from last year, please feel free to start practicing, but also we will be happy to teach you those at our assemblies.
Okay, so the Walker Wolf cheer goes like this. We clap our thighs twice. Then we clap our hands twice. And then we howl, oh! But remember, we don't shout, we don't scream or howl. It's not that high-pitched annoying thing. It's just a howl. So my class is gonna show you how to do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
We also will be having attention getters that we will walk our students through in order to keep us on track and stay within our time frame. Some other fun celebrations for awesome behavior at Walker Elementary is our Golden Tray Award. We have 3 of these, and we are going to celebrate the grade level that shows the best lunchroom expectations each week. You get to have this trophy in your classroom for the entire week to celebrate your awesome expectation behavior at lunchtime. Also, we have the Golden Soccer Ball Award. This is for students that are showing the best expectations at lunch recess. Lunch recess is our focus there, and we will have some of our staff members select the winning grade level. And again, you get to have this Golden Ball trophy in your classroom to remind yourself how awesome you did at lunch recess. Each week at our Friday assembly, Mr. Erickson will create a slideshow of students at our school. Teachers, will you please make sure you are sending videos and pictures of your students doing awesome things to Mr. Erickson so they can be a star in our Walker Weekly video at our Friday assemblies. To start us off next week, our first focus is walking everywhere within our school building. Students, when we are going up and down the stairs, in the hallways, to the bathrooms, in the lunchroom, we need to make sure we are remembering walking feet. Your teachers and staff members will be looking for outstanding students that are remembering to walk everywhere. And we will celebrate you next Friday at our first assembly. Thank you.